Welcome back, dear viewers, and get ready to have your minds blown. Today, we are diving into the intersection of 3D printing and intellectual property, a rapidly growing area with challenges and opportunities for creators and businesses alike. So let's dive in. 3D printing revolution. 3D printing is here, and it's about to change the world as we know it. This isn't just a new technology, it's a game changer. Imagine a world where you can create anything you can dream up right from your own home. From intricate designs to everyday items, the possibilities are endless. Need a new phone case? Print it. Customize it to your heart's content and have it in your hands within hours. How about a custom cookie cutter? Easy peasy. You can design it yourself or download a template online. 3D printing is like having a mini factory at your fingertips, and the possibilities are limitless. From small trinkets to complex machinery, you can create it all. This technology is already making waves in industries like healthcare, where doctors can print prosthetic limbs perfectly tailored to each patient. This means faster production times and more personalized care. In fashion, designers are creating mind-blowing, intricate pieces that were impossible to produce before. The level of detail and customization is unprecedented. And in aerospace, 3D printing is used to manufacture lightweight, fuel-efficient parts for rockets and airplanes. This not only reduces costs but also enhances performance. But hold on tight, because this revolution comes with a catch: intellectual property. The ease of replication brings new challenges. With 3D printing, it's easier than ever to replicate designs, which raises some serious questions about ownership and protection. How do we ensure creators get the credit they deserve? Don't worry, though, I'm here to break it all down for you. We'll explore the ins and outs of this technology and its implications. So, buckle up and get ready to dive into the exciting world of 3D printing and learn how to protect your awesome creations. This journey is just beginning, and the future is bright. What exactly is 3D printing? Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty of intellectual property, let's make sure we are all on the same page about what 3D printing actually is. In a nutshell, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is like building something layer by layer, like stacking Legos to create a castle. Imagine a digital blueprint of your design. The 3D printer reads that blueprint and deposits tiny droplets of plastic, metal, or even chocolate, onto a platform, layer upon layer, until your design magically takes shape in the real world. Think of it like this: remember those old dot matrix printers that used to print out receipts? Well, 3D printing is like that, but instead of printing on paper, it prints in 3 dimensions, building up your design from the bottom up. It's pretty mind-blowing, right? Now, let's dive into the wild world of intellectual property and how it all relates to 3D printing. Protecting your brilliant ideas. Now, let's talk about protecting your genius. When it comes to 3D printing, things can get a little tricky in the world of intellectual property, IP. See, IP is all about protecting the creations of the mind, inventions, designs, artistic works, you name it. Think of it like this: you spend hours, days, maybe even months designing the coolest phone case the world has ever seen. You meticulously craft every curve, every detail, pouring your heart and soul into it. But then, someone comes along, downloads your design, and prints 1,000 copies to sell for a quick buck. Not cool, right? That's where intellectual property swoops in to save the day. There are 3 main types of IP protection that come into play with 3D printing: patents, copyrights, and trademarks. Each one protects a different aspect of your creation, so let's break them down one by one. Get ready to become an IP pro and learn how to protect your hard work. Your blueprint to ownership. First up, we've got patents. Patents are like a legal force field around your invention. They give you the exclusive right to make, use, and sell your invention for a certain period, usually 20 years. Think of it like owning the blueprint to your creation. So, how does this apply to 3D printing? Let's say you invent a revolutionary new type of 3D printer nozzle that makes printing faster and smoother. You can patent that nozzle design, preventing others from making, using, or selling your awesome invention without your permission. Patents are especially important for protecting the functional aspects of your 3D printed creations. So, if you've come up with a new gadget, a game-changing tool, or any other invention that you print using a 3D printer, it's worth looking into getting a patent. Remember, a patent is a powerful tool for protecting your inventions in the world of 3D printing. Section 5 Copyrights Safeguarding Your Digital Masterpieces. Next up, let's talk about copyrights. Copyrights are essential for protecting the unique expression of your ideas. Copyrights protect the expression of an idea, like the artistic or literary aspects of your work. This means your creative efforts are legally safeguarded. In the realm of 3D printing, copyrights come into play with your digital designs, those awesome 3D models you create on your computer. These designs are your intellectual property. Think of it like this: you spend hours sculpting the perfect 3D model of a dragon figurine. It's a labor of love and creativity. You painstakingly add every scale, every tooth, every detail, pouring your creativity into the digital world. Each element is a testament to your skill and imagination. That 3D model is your original work of art, and copyright protects it from being copied or distributed without your permission. This ensures your hard work is respected. Here's the thing, though simply sharing your 3D model online, even if you don't intend for it to be copied, can sometimes be risky. The digital world is vast and unpredictable. Once it's out there in the digital world, it can be difficult to control how others use it. Unauthorized use can undermine your efforts. So, how can you protect your digital masterpieces? There are several strategies and legal measures you can take. We'll dive into that in the next section. Stay tuned to learn more about safeguarding your creative work. Section 6 Trademarks. Don't mess with the logo. Last but not least, we have trademarks. Trademarks are all about protecting your brand. They cover logos, brand names, and other unique identifiers that distinguish your goods or services from others in the marketplace. Now, you might be thinking, what do trademarks have to do with 3D printing? Well, imagine you've created a successful line of 3D printed phone cases that everyone loves. You've built a strong brand around your unique designs and your catchy company name. Trademarks protect your brand identity in the 3D printing world. They prevent others from using your logo, brand name, or similar identifiers on their own 3D printed products, preventing confusion and protecting your hard-earned reputation. So, if you're selling 3D printed products, especially if you're building a brand, trademarks are your best friend. Remember, protecting your brand is crucial in the world of 3D printing, and trademarks are here to help. Section 7 Shielding Your Creations Practical Tips and Tricks. Alright, now that you're a certified IP whiz, let's talk about practical ways to protect your 3D printing creations. These tips will help you ensure that your hard work and creativity are safeguarded from unauthorized use and potential theft. First up, think about licensing agreements. These legal tools can help you control how your designs are used by others. If you're sharing your digital designs online, consider using a Creative Commons license or a similar agreement. This can provide clear guidelines on how your work can be used. This lets you specify how others can use your work, whether it's for personal use, non-commercial projects, or even commercial purposes with attribution. It's a great way to maintain control over your creations. Another cool trick is using digital watermarks. These are subtle, yet effective, ways to mark your digital territory. Just like watermarks on physical documents, digital watermarks are embedded into your 3D models, making it difficult to steal your designs without anyone knowing. This adds an extra layer of security. It's like leaving your digital signature on your work. This can be particularly useful if you plan to share your designs widely. And of course, don't forget about the power of patents. Patents can provide robust protection for your most innovative ideas. If you've invented something truly innovative in the world of 3D printing, whether it's a new type of 3D printer, a revolutionary printing material, or a game-changing design, consider applying for a patent to protect your invention. This can prevent others from copying your groundbreaking work. Remember, there are plenty of ways to safeguard your 3D printing creations, so choose the strategies that work best for you. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your hard work remains yours and continues to benefit you in the long run. Section 8 The Future of Innovation. Protect your genius. As we venture further into the exciting world of 3D printing, it's more important than ever to be aware of intellectual property and how to protect your creations. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we design, manufacture, and even think about creating. Whether you're a seasoned engineer, a budding artist, or just starting to explore the possibilities of 3D printing, remember that your ideas are valuable. By understanding intellectual property and taking proactive steps to protect your work, you're not just safeguarding your creations, you're contributing to a culture of innovation and creativity. So go ahead, my dear innovators and game changers, and create amazing things. And as you do, remember to protect your genius because the future of innovation depends on it. Keep those creative sparks flying, and I'll see you in the next video.